Hey there, welcome to Tech World GBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Artificial intelligence, or AI, works by mimicking aspects of human intelligence using complex algorithms, data processing, and machine learning techniques to perform tasks autonomously. At its core, AI relies on patterns in data to make predictions, recognize images, translate languages, play games, and even have conversations. Here's a breakdown of how AI works. First, let's talk about data collection and processing. AI systems begin by gathering large volumes of data, which can come from various sources such as text, images, videos, sensors, and user interactions. Raw data is then cleaned, labeled, and structured to make it usable. This data serves as the experience AI models learn from, similar to how humans use experience to learn and improve. Next up, we have algorithms and models. AI uses algorithms, which are sets of rules and calculations, to analyze data and identify patterns. The most common algorithms include decision trees, neural networks, and clustering algorithms. These algorithms are trained on data to create AI models capable of making predictions or decisions based on new inputs. Models are like the brain of AI, as they process information to generate outputs. Now, let's dive into machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. ML models improve over time as they are exposed to more data. There are different types of ML. First, we have supervised learning. The model is trained on labeled data, where it learns from examples with known outcomes. It's useful for classification and prediction tasks. Then there's unsupervised learning. The model works with unlabeled data and identifies patterns or groupings within the data, such as clustering similar items together. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. The model learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for desired actions and penalties for undesired ones, similar to training an agent to play a game. Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning that mimics the human brain's neural networks. It uses layers of artificial neurons to analyze data in multiple stages, enabling complex tasks like image and speech recognition. Neural networks. Deep learning relies on neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to recognize patterns in large and complex datasets. For instance, a neural network might first identify edges in an image, then shapes, and finally, whole objects. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP powers chatbots, virtual assistants, translation services, and more. NLP models process text by breaking it down into tokens, which are words or phrases, and then using algorithms to understand syntax, grammar, context, and sentiment. Training the AI model. During training, the AI model is exposed to vast amounts of data and adjusts its internal parameters to reduce errors. Backpropagation. In deep learning, a technique called backpropagation helps the model learn from its mistakes by adjusting weights and biases within the network to minimize the difference between its predictions and actual results. Once trained, the model enters the inference phase, where it can make predictions or take actions based on new data. This is the operational stage of AI, where it can classify images, predict trends, or engage in real-time interactions. Deployment. The AI model is integrated into applications or systems like chatbots or recommendation engines to be used by end users. Many AI systems continuously learn and improve as they receive feedback and new data. This feedback loop helps keep the AI model accurate and adaptable to changing conditions, a process known as model retraining. Computer vision. Used in facial recognition, autonomous driving, and medical image analysis, AI processes visual data to identify objects, people, or patterns. Speech recognition. Converts spoken language into text used in Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, using NLP and machine learning. Recommendation systems. Services like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon recommend content based on past user behavior, using collaborative filtering and deep learning models. In essence, AI is a combination of algorithms and data that simulates intelligent behavior by recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from outcomes, all aimed at automating tasks and enhancing user experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.